nice talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Look at a UPS driver's pay stub. Now, before we begin, you will see here that I am talking to you on a 30-minute unpaid lunch. There's a couple things I want to know. One, union members with UPS are paid weekly, so these numbers are going to reflect a weekly paycheck. The second thing I want to talk about with this pay stub is I don't want to mention it in any ill-mannered way. I simply love when I come across content creators who share their pay stubs of their different working field and their transparency of how their wages are broken down. Jumping right into it, I did cross out some information, but you can see my name right there across the top. You can see that this is for 1 week, and we have a total earnings of $2,004.98, taxes of $487.49, total deductions of $204.25, with a net take home for the week of $1,313.24. Now, of course, I'm not just going to show you the big numbers, I'm going to show you the breakdown. So let's take a look at the hourly breakdown of how those numbers come to be. Here's an individual breakdown of those hours. There at the top, you can see our current pay rate of $44.26 per hour. And as you go down the list, you can see our regular overtime as well as production bonus. As you get down to the bottom, you see total hours worked of 42.76 hours. If you go a little bit further, you can see the year-to-date totals of 1,735 hours for a total of $76,243 for the year. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see it? Yeah, that hurt some people's feelings. But you know the best part about this. Did I say but first? No, I didn't say but first. I don't. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. But first, please go to the pinned comment and check out my other channel. And please subscribe to my other channel because I never ask you guys to subscribe to this one. I'll be talking about a lot of different things on that other channel. There's a lot of different things. Please support your guy. Never asked for it before. I'm asking now. The other channel, though. All right. Yeah, what's up with UPS? That shit. Oh, man, that hurt some people's feelings, huh? So, I don't really have an issue with the, how much he gets paid because, I'm a truck driver. But I had to go get my CDL. I had to put 26 years in of driving to get to where I'm at. And that, it's just one of those things where you don't need a background. You don't need any special training. You don't need a degree. All you got to do is use your labor to make that type of money. And I said UPS. Now, should our carriers be making that? I'm sure the carrier's losing it right now. I'm going over to UPS. Understand, I just spoke to a UPS driver yesterday. I was walking in, he was walking out of my facility, my community. And he was like, look, initially they start the people that work there in the warehouse. And I was like, oh, okay, all right. And they did fight for that. And they got, I believe he said, a 10% raise. They eliminated the two-tier pay table. And he was like, you spend a lot of time there during the day and there's a lot of work. And they said they work hard like that for 4 months. He said 4 months is solid hard work. And then after that, it's, because I think he said he had 4 years in. But after that, it's, pretty light work. He said, so a lot of the people that are new there, they need to either budget their money or they have to have little side gigs because they don't know if they're going to work. And the work comes by seniority. So it's not like how we have it. And they said that they're not considered full time. They're part-time employees. And they said there's no time limit until they become full-time. But he said he made, I guess, $37 an hour after the pay raise, something like that. So do we deserve that? I mean, I'm talking about the carriers or all the postal workers. Do y'all deserve that? Because you know them UPS boys, they be grinding. They be working hard. It's something that you should show your union reps, and they're gonna say, "Well, the post office will never pay that," and then you got to say your union rep. You got to say, "Well, why not? Why not? Ain't that what you guys supposed to do? You're supposed to fight for it." And the union rep's gonna say, "Well, they're gonna say they ain't got enough money," and then that's when you turn and say, "Well, they need to say, well, if they ain't got enough money, they ain't gonna have enough employees. They got money. They got money. They just one of the businesses that's trying to cut. They waste money." But what do y'all think about that? I mean, that's a chunky check. And he showed it. I was like, good goony goo goo. Think about that. That dude, now I don't know who he is, but you don't need a degree to make that kind of money. They scratching $100,000 a year easily. Serious. But this is not to piss anybody off, but this is one of those things where it takes all of us to sit there and say, well, why can't we have it? You know why we can't have it? How many of you going to sit there and watch this video and just get mad and not go to your union reps and demand they fight for us to get a higher pay rate? 90% of us, 90%. We're going to look, we're going to complain and then say, we need this. Well, if you need it, then fight for it. Push your union reps to go do it, right? If not, we just talking. We're talking out the side of our face. It's just one of those things, y'all. It's just one of those things. This is JH. Just wanted to bring it to somebody's attention because somebody brought it to my attention. And I wanted to share with the postal family. It's JH. And I'm out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.